I'm bringing back this childhood classic, but making it from scratch. These easy sloppy joes are everything you've ever dreamed of, but without the can. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I'm showing you how to make my favorite sloppy joes. And we are not using the canned sauce at all. It is completely from scratch, with the exception of a can of tomato sauce, but it is savory and tangy and perfect just as you remembered it, with all whole ingredients. It's also very budget friendly because you probably have most of the ingredients in your kitchen right now. Nobody's really sure where the name Sloppy Joe came from. Some people think it's from Indiana. Some people think it's from Havana. It doesn't really matter. These Sloppy Joes are definitely memorable, and you can say they came straight from your own Sloppy Joe kitchen. So let's move over to the stove and I'll show you how to make it. Start by heating your oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the onion and bell pepper, which is already finely diced. Cook this until it's softened and slightly golden brown. So if you want to add some hidden veggies like finely chopped carrots or mushrooms, this is the time to do it. So you just want to stir those in after your onion and bell pepper have softened slightly. My kids do not like vegetables, so I like to sneak them in where I can. Next, we're going to add the garlic and cook that for about 1 minute, just until you start to smell it. Stir in the chili powder and the tomato paste and give everything a good stir so that everything is combined, and then cook that tomato paste until it's a deep burgundy color. You want that rich caramelization from the tomato paste. Next, we're gonna add the ground beef to the pan and chop it up with a spoon or a fork, and we're gonna cook that until it's browned and no longer pink. That's gonna take you about 5 to 7 minutes. In a separate bowl, whisk together the sauce ingredients. So you're going to whisk together the Worcestershire sauce, the apple cider vinegar, the yellow mustard, the brown sugar, and the tomato sauce. Once that's well combined, pour the sauce mixture over the ground beef and give it a stir. Turn the heat to low, and we're just gonna simmer that for about 15 to 20 minutes until the sauce is like thick and really rich looking. Once your Sloppy Joes are done, we're gonna go back and we're gonna make our sandwiches. Our Sloppy Joe is done. It's nice and cooked down, the sauce is reduced, and it is thick and savory amazingness in this pan. So I do wanna mention my vegetables are a little chunky in here. I just wanted like chunkier vegetables today, but you can definitely chop them up more finely if you want them to vanish into the sauce. They will literally disappear into your sauce if you mince them up like small enough. And I'm just gonna add a little parsley to the top, and that's it. So now you can serve it like on a roll, or you can put it over rice. You can also stuff a baked potato with it with some cheese. That is so amazing. So I'm gonna use a roll and just ladle a bunch of it onto your roll. I mean, I think everybody knows how to build a Sloppy Joe, but I want some vegetables in there. Put the lid on it, and that's it. So now I'm just gonna take a bite, make sure it is amazing, which I know it is. That's so good. So much better than a can. So easy. As easy as a can. This is definitely gonna be your go-to. You're gonna add this to your weekly menu for sure. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.